Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Springfielder Peely from Fortnite and The Simpsons as well. So this is a cool Peely skin in the style of The Simpsons skins. I'm going to do a full body shot. Let's go right up to the top. Let's do a little stalk element on the edge at the top of Peely. It's like a rounded square, I suppose. I'm going to go from the top up here. I'm going to go nice like a little curve around at the top there. And then I'm going to come down either side of that, so I'm going to taper it in a little bit. One, this one's a little bit more curved. Two, then there's like a little line underneath, just to kind of square it off a bit. And then around that, I'm going to come down, sort of 3D it a little bit. Kind of comes down this way, around like that, and up. And what I can do then is just draw a line in there, one there, and one at the top there. That's the initial top part of Springfielder Peely. So next up, we've got that classic Peely peeled skin, top of the banana coming off either side. So what I'm going to do is go from the edge at the top of the right here. I'm going to come down, nice line there, and then about this point, just come down as well, down here, curve it round. This little part here, I'm just going to put two little lines in, and then I'm going to draw the little peel coming off it. So it comes out from this point, it goes up, around down here, back and around here. So I'm going to go from that point there, I'm going to go up, around out to out there, bring it back on itself, and then bring it back up. So line up there to about here, and then what I'll do is just kind of pipe that. So just bring the pen along the outside, and then there's a couple of little, just one maybe, just a little loop sort of showing that that's the peely bit. Then what I can do is just draw a line down to where the shoulder element is. So the banana kind of comes down here, the side of the banana comes down this way. Nice curve to about there. Then I can go over to this side. So similar sort of thing. I'm going to go from this very corner point here, bring my pen down, and then there's another little chip space next to it there. Then the peel comes up this way, right? So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to bring my pen up there, loop it around, down like that, and then just continue this line to where the shoulder on the left is, which is a little bit lower. It's about there. On here, I'm going to just go up from that line there. Just going to pipe it in just like that, okay? That's all I need to do. Now I'm there, I'm going to do two eyes in the middle of this Peely. So I've got the classic Peely eyes, but they're Simpsonized, so two nice round circles. So I'm going to do this right one first. So I'm going to go from the midpoint, about here. Okay, start there, come down, go around. Nice curve like that. And then on this side, come around and into that element there. And then I've got two little bags under the eyes, so 1, 2. Two little bags over the eyes, 1, 2. And then I can just pop little pupils either side of that. And that's that classic Peely banana look. Little sneaky smile just here. Like that. And then he's got his hand under his chin. So I'm going to go down to here. I'm going to come outwards, draw the shoulder. I've got the arm coming down here. Curve it around at the elbow. Straight back up to here. Just curve in at that first finger. Then I've got another finger here coming out, so just second one. Third one here. Bring it around to there. Now I've got the thumb. So the thumb sort of comes up here, down around to the wrist. And then I just need to bring that back, just return it along here. Little hint there of a curve for his elbow, for his shoulder. And then I can look at this side here. So this shoulder is going to come down from here, pop it out there, and all we've got to do is bring the arm down to the wrist area here. On the inside, sort of the underarm must be about there. Taper it in a bit to there. And then I'm going to draw further down, got a curved thumb. And the rest of the fingers just go underneath. So I'm going to come out from this wrist area, curve it around and just go up and in like that. So that's all we kind of need to do. Maybe a little curve in there just to show that the shoulder area is hitting the banana. And then what I can do is draw the rest of the torso so it comes down this way. So I've got one line from the underarm here, just bring it down to about here. And on this side, come down to about that point there. While I'm here, I'm just going to draw the underside, so that's got to go all about there. And then I'm just going to draw his legs. He's got these long legs, one there, feet coming out. I'm going to go from this right hand side, just bring my pen down. The knee area must be about here. I'm going to keep going for a really long shin, right down to the ankle, and then we're going to kick it out down. And then on the other side up here, we're going to go just taper in a bit to the knee, come out a bit at the calf, and then in all the way down to about there. And then I'm going to just curve it around, meet it up there. Little toe element there. And you know what? There's a little sole of this banana shoe just there. On this side, I'm going to come down here and the foot's coming out a bit further this way. So if I go from the inside here, I'm going to come down here, curve it in, bring it out the calf, down to the ankle to there, maybe just a little bit further. From here, I'm going to go curve out to the knee area there, then I'm going to come out again to the shin, taper it down, and roll it out to a toe area about here, curve it around there, around and hit the back area there. Two little banana peel toes there, and then again we've got just a little bit of a sole, so just kind of cap it off there, bring it down around there. There we go. Okay, a couple more bits of detail, and then we've done our peely. Got a line going down the middle here, so about this point, nice little line there. Got a line coming down from that hand there, so a nice little banana curve line here. One that comes down around like that, and then one on the left. So it starts probably about here, goes to the forearm area, or goes behind it, and then we're gonna just draw in a little curve down to about there. Two final things. He's got his knee pads, they're little diamond shaped, so got one here, a little diamond shaped knee pad there. And over here, we've got another one around here. So a little diamond shape right there. And then you know what? We're done. There we go. That is Springfielder Peely from the new season of Fortnite. It's a cool Simpsons crossover skin with Peely. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.